Question 30, Part A. We can imagine that the roof is a rectangle with an area of 30 square metres, and the rain collects on it, making a rectangular prism. The prism has a depth of 20 millimetres, which is equal to 2 centimetres or 0.02 metres. The volume of this water will be 30 square metres multiplied by 0.02. Giving us a volume of 0.6 cubic metres, which is equal to 0.6 kilolitres, which is 600 litres. Question 30, Part B, Part 1. The data remaining is the difference between 3.44 gigabytes and 6.44 gigabytes, so that would be 3 gigabytes. And that's equal to 3 multiplied by 1024 megabytes. Which is 3072 megabytes. B Part 2. 3072 megabytes can be converted into kilobytes by multiplying by 1024. This number of kilobytes can be converted into bytes by multiplying by 1024. This number of bytes can be converted into bits by multiplying by 8. And this number of bits can be converted to megabits by dividing by 1 million. Giving 25,770 megabits. The required rate will be this value divided by the number of seconds in 7 minutes. Which equals 61 megabits per second to the nearest unit. Question 30, Part C. To find the area of the entire playground, we can first find the area of the rectangle ABCD. To do this, we'll need the length of AB, and we can find this using the triangle OAB. Applying the cosine rule to this triangle gives us AB squared is equal to 45 squared plus 45 squared minus 2 by 45 by 45 by the cosine of 100. Taking the square root of this answer, gives a length of AB of 68.944 metres. The area of the rectangle is equal to AB multiplied by 20, which is equal to 1378.9 square metres. The area of the triangle can be found next. This area is 997.1 square meters. And last, the area of the major sector can be found. (260°), the angle in the sector, divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. This area is 4,594.6 square meters. Adding these areas together gives a total area of 6,971 square meters to the nearest unit. Question 30, Part D, Part 1. Using the formula provided, we can write the equation x bar equals 88, the x score, minus 2.4, the z score, multiplied by s. Part D, Part 2. Similar to Part 1, we can write the formula x bar equals 52 plus 1.2 times s, using the information provided. As both equations are of the form x bar equals, we can equate the right-hand sides, giving us 52 plus 1.2s equals 88 minus 2.4s. Moving the s terms to the left and the constants to the right, we get 1.2s plus 2.4s equals 88 minus 52, giving 3.6s equals 36. Dividing both sides by 3.6, we can see that s equals 10. Substituting this value back into one of our original equations, we get x bar equals 52 plus 1.2 times 10, giving us a value of 64.